welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm so excited because today we're undecorating for fall. So I've already cleaned up the house, everything that I could, but we are still going to do a little bit of cleaning today. When I undecorate all this stuff, I want to go ahead and wipe down all the surfaces. That way when I decorate for Halloween, which is very soon, y'all. I know some of you have been waiting. It is coming the first week of October, and it's going to be with one of my really good friends. So I'm so excited for that video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. It's going to be more like a vlog style. So right now I'm going to focus on undecorating everything in the kitchen, and then I'll go through and wipe down everything, and then I'll come back and talk to y'all. So I hope this video is super motivating and inspiring for y'all. Even if you haven't decorated for fall yet, maybe you can get some inspiration from this Undecorate with me. And I'll also have my entire fall playlist at the end of this video and linked in the description down below for y'all if you want to get some more cleaning or decorating inspiration after this video. So let's go ahead and get into this.
Other than you, I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder by you, 'cause I can stay till the morning or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah. Whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go.
So far this is everything that I've gotten here. I hope this bucket is big enough. Like, it is a pretty big bucket, but I hope it's big enough to keep all of my fall decor, but maybe not. I do have a box in the back room, but I want to show y'all. I'm leaving out some of this stuff. So this is like filler stuff, and this orange, so it's totally good for Halloween too. And I left out these little placemats as well because I may want to use this stuff for Halloween. So I didn't want to pack it up and then have to unpack it again if I want to use it. So I'm gonna just consolidate everything throughout the house that I think I may use for Halloween also, and bring it in here on the table. I just love this pumpkin. If y'all watched my home tour, this one I picked up from, it's a Dollar Tree, but it's the one that is mixed with a Family Dollar. So I always tell y'all, if you hear me say something was $5 at the Dollar Tree and you don't have a Dollar Tree that also has Family Dollar items in it, then check out your Family Dollar, because, or even Dollar General would probably have stuff like this. But I just thought it was so cute, and it's a dark navy blue color, so I may use this for Halloween because it could also look kind of black. So I keep all of my bags when we go grocery shopping so that I can, instead of using newspaper, because I don't have any, I don't buy newspapers, I just use these bags. It's a free way of storing your breakables, and they will be safe with a bag. So I've got my tier tray cleaned out. There was so much sparkle from those picks. So now I'm going to, got everything that I needed to get out of here. Also think for Halloween, I'm just going to turn this around like that. Maybe. Oh, it gets so hot. I thought about putting a vinyl logo on the other side that's removable, but it gets so hot that I don't think I'm gonna do that. But I do want to do that for my diffuser. So I've seen so many people put, they like, you know, you get the Cricut machines and all that stuff, and then you're able to put vinyl stuff on everything. So I'm thinking of putting the little jack-o'-lantern face on here so that it looks like a jack-o'-lantern, and then I can just set it to the orange. We will put some stuff in here in a minute. I'll show you what it looks like.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me.
So that's what it looks like with the orange. I love this diffuser. A lot of y'all asked me where I get it, and years ago I attempted doing Young Living. Haven't we all tried an MLM once in our life and then realized, yeah, this isn't for me? But I do like my diffuser. It's just one that color changes. So if you're interested in one that does the color changes, then I would just type in that. I think I may have some linked in my Amazon that are color changing, but this is what it looks like orange, and I could put the little triangle eyes there and then the jack-o'-lantern smiley face to make it look more Halloween-y. So now I'm going to move into the living room, and I'm just going to take this whole bin with me in there. That way I can work smarter and not harder. And I did, like I showed y'all earlier, I just grab, when I know I'm going to have to clean a lot of surfaces, I just grab a lot of wipes. And then this is Love Meg's multi-surface spray. So I'm going to use that everywhere because it will work fine. This tablecloth is so dirty, but we actually did get another one for Halloween that Erin picked out, so I'll be able to wash this. Alright, let's get in there. I don't think I actually have too much fall decor in the living room.
Say what you mean, say what you mean, and you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean, and you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only
everything out of here. If y'all watched one of my other videos, or I don't know if it's been uploaded yet, but that metal basket had rust on the bottom of it, so I had to scrub it with a Brillo pad. But I didn't have a blanket to put in here for Halloween, but I did have this little blanket. Every year, most years, my mom gives us a blanket that's, you know, you get it at Walmart. They're the ones that come in the roll, and I love it because I let Chloe use them. So this one I decided to put on the top, and then when we decorate for Halloween, I'm probably going to put some of those big velvet pumpkins that I have on the top of here, so it looks like a cozy little place for some pumpkins. Anyways, I got everything out of here though. I ended up putting all my books in this cabinet in case I want to put something Halloween here. That way it's not like disrupted by the books. And then I ended up taking those picks out of there, which I may use the two sparkly gold or orange and brown ones, but I just decided to take it out in case I put something else in there. So now we are going to go in the bathrooms. Those are, well, and the bedroom. Those are the only 3 rooms left with decor, and they have the least amount of decor, so it shouldn't take us long at all. If you're enjoying this video so far and you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I do videos like this, cleaning videos, grocery hauls, stuff like that, homemaking. And if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, because that will let me know that you liked it, and it will also let YouTube know that you liked it. So go ahead and do that if you have a chance. But we're gonna go on to the other rooms now.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the 2 of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the 2 of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make
put away. So I'm leaving my tier tray because we're going to decorate that for Halloween too. And then I'll show y'all what I just put away. This is what I decided to keep on hand, and I'll just put in with the Halloween stuff in my office. I just have these 3 pumpkins here. These are the 2 I was talking about that are really big that I could put in my blanket holder. And then I just love this pumpkin, I really do. So we may find a spot for it. I'm not ready to part with it yet. Okay, and then of course these 2 placemats, and then all of my picks. The only picks I didn't keep for possibly to use for Halloween were these little berries, just because I feel like this is very fall, and I don't think it will go well. No, I know it won't go with my Halloween theme. And the same thing with these I really like, but I just feel like they're a lot more Thanksgiving, a lot more fall than they are Halloween. So we managed to get it all in here, and actually I still have plenty of room. If I wanted to, I could have put all of this in there as well. I just wouldn't have had anywhere for my tier tray. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you back here. My glasses are glaring. They always do that, but I gotta have them on. I will see y'all back here very soon for another video. And yeah. Oh, I forgot. I was supposed to take down that big painting right there, and I was going to put this little tea kettle away because these are a lot more spring and summer looks, but I'll do that another time. Y'all hear my shoes? I stepped on something sticky, and now everywhere I walk it's sticky. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you back here very soon for another one, and yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye.
You could see yourself